We'll take it. It's good for initiations, I feel like.
What's the asking price?
I would love to find out who owns this property.
Is some sort of old quarry over here?
No fucking way. It's right there? All right.
That's beautiful. Holy shit.
Wait, is this a Zoom? No. Ah. Hey, that's not what I'm here for. I make it quite clear. Like, see, somebody like Brittany is administration, like administrative work. It's good. Like, Brittany has she would be like in that jumpsuit yelling at the secretary. I always said I wanted a giant glass building on the Palisade Parkway. It's kind of a dick move, I understand that. And people might hate me. They just built one for some other purpose there for probably some big company, so I want to buy that building now.
Gotcha.
So I'm not such an asshole.
Well, you know. Well, not such an asshole,
I
right?
said it. The guy who built it's a bigger asshole than me. Need more jewel pods as well.